Okay, so the speakers in the front of the car that go in the car doors are originally 5x7s. That's what these are. But as you can see, these don't work anymore. They don't even make bad noise. They're completely dead. They're opened. So I ran down to Walmart and bought these. I heard or I read good reviews on these, and they're 5x7s, which is the size I need, /6-6x8 or 6x8, and that's not what I need. So these are 6x8s, not 5x7s. I'm not even sure why they would say that. But when you read online, they make you think that it's just going to plug right in. Well, here's the mount that I took off the door that the speaker is supposed to sit in. And this 6x8 is just too big. We've got these tabs on each end that extend beyond, and even when you even with those out of the equation, it still will not fit inside the mount. So ultimately what I'm going to do is just mount it by 2 screws, and it will be like that. When it's finally mounted, it will be like that. I'm going to bend these tabs up on each side. I'm going to bend them up so so it will seat a little bit better. But basically, you cannot mount all 4 screws to the speaker in the car door. But it'll probably sound fine. I'm sure it would sound better if it could be properly seated. But we're just going to go with that plan and see how it goes. Now, the backs of these have terminals that you're supposed to clip on, little spade type connectors, but the original speakers have this type of adapter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unsolder this and remove this, and then solder it to these guys, and just solder it on there. It should be fine and solid enough to hold the wire when you push it on. It shouldn't even bend hardly. So that's the plan, and after I do all that, I'll bring back another video and show where I'm at. But just in case anyone is thinking about putting these speakers in a Nissan, this is a 97 Nissan Altima. Maybe the newer ones are more accommodating, but for 93 through 97, no. These are not good choices as far as fit. Now, you also get these plates, these adapter things, but I could not see how it's useful at all. There was no benefit from using that, so I'm not even going to bother. All right, well, that's it for now.